Most people think you need a $5,000 PC and Disney-level animation skills to go viral in 2026. But the reality? Some of the viral channels on this platform are literally just lines and circles. Look at the Angry Explainer. He's sitting at 494,000 subscribers. Then you have Wise Joe, who's built a cult following of 226,000 subscribers with psychology videos. And Sticko Explains? He's at 99.9K subscribers, proving this unique look works in almost any niche, from parenting to philosophy. The expectation is that these videos take weeks to animate. The reality is that we can now automate the entire process. In this video, I'm giving you my exact Stickman master prompt template. It's the same framework I've used to keep characters consistent and storytelling addictive. I'll show you how to generate the script, the visuals, and the animation instructions in one go, without any of the usual AI morphing. Step 1. The brain and architecture. Let's start with the brain of the operation. Open up ChatGPT or Grok. Drop my custom Stickman mastermind prompt available in the description. Just copy and paste it. You don't need to tweak the mechanics. The default duration is set for 60 seconds of voiceover, which is perfect for shorts or reels, but honestly, you can push it to whatever length you need for long-form videos. Just type in your topic here. If you don't have existing topic idea or title, ask Grok or ChatGPT for a few psychological or motivational ideas. I'll write my own title in here. What happens next is crucial. The prompt forces the AI to break the narrative into exactly 10 scenes, with each lasting about 6 seconds. Why 6 seconds? Because that's the sweet spot for the free video generator we're about to use later. You instantly get the voiceover, the image prompts, and the video prompts for every single cut. Look at this output. 10 perfectly structured scenes, plus visual prompts for each scene ready to go. Step 2. The backbone. Now for the visuals. A lot of creators mess this up by generating random images, but we need strict consistency. We're using Google's Nano Banana 2 because in my testing, it's one of the best image generators available right now. Paste your first image prompt and type in your aspect ratio. Since I need vertical formatting, I'll type 9:16 ratio and hit generate. Clean result, right? If the vibe feels off, just regenerate it again. Otherwise, download it. Wait. Pay close attention to this next part now, because this is how you keep your character consistent in every scene. Copy your second prompt, but this time upload the first image you just downloaded as a visual reference. When you hit generate, look at the character. It's consistent. It perfectly matches the brush strokes and proportions of the original. Just repeat this loop for all your images. Here are all the images I've generated. Step 3. The final stage. Now, quick heads up. Things move fast in AI. Grok recently moved their Imagine Video feature to a paid tier after I recorded the video, but don't worry, the Yantric way is all about staying ahead without spending $1. Instead of Grok, you can use Qwen AI or Flow AI from the link in the description. Both are currently crushing it with free, high-quality video generation. The method is the same, so don't worry. Finally, we breathe life into these static images. We're gonna use Grok for this, as it allows generous free generations every day. Head back over to Grok and open the Imagine tab. Select the Animate Image option, upload your first scene, and paste the video prompt from Grok. Here's a pro tip. If you're on the free plan, leave these advanced settings untouched. Don't worry, we'll upscale the video clips once generated. Give it about 30 seconds, and here it is. The motion is incredibly smooth for a zero-cost tool, but here is the catch. Do not hit download yet. You must upscale the video right here first, or it's gonna look blurry. Once the HD icon appears, then download. Grok gives you 20 free video generations every day. If you burn through those, don't stress. Just switch over to Google's Flow AI. It gives you 50 free daily credits daily and handles cinematic lighting just as well. So let's zoom out for a second. You just went from a blank screen to a fully custom 2D animated story without spending a single dollar. That's the leverage free AI gives you right now. But I'll be honest, your first video probably won't be a masterpiece. Publish it anyway. Before you leave, tell me in the comments what motivational or psychological topic will you animate first. Now that you understand the visual workflow, you need to lock in the rest. I've put 2 videos on screen. If you're interested, must watch them.